Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the Monster Speaker 2025 model. That annoying blinking red power light. If you're seeing this, you're not alone. It's one of the top complaints from users, and I'm here to help you troubleshoot it step by step. So, grab your speaker, and let's get started. First off, what does that blinking red light even mean? In the Monster Speaker 2025, it typically signals a problem with power supply, overheating, or a connectivity glitch. This model is packed with advanced features like eye-enhanced sound and wireless charging, but even futuristic tech can have hiccups. Don't worry. Most issues are easy to fix with a few simple checks. Step 1. Check your power source. Make sure the speaker is plugged into a reliable outlet or that your battery isn't drained. For the 2025 model, try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, inspect for overheating. Place the speaker in a cooler spot and ensure it's not blocked by anything. Next, let's look at connectivity. The blinking red light could indicate a pairing issue with your device. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone or computer, wait a few seconds, and try reconnecting. Also, check for any firmware updates through the Monster app. Outdated software is a frequent culprit in 2025 models. If you've tried these steps and the light keeps blinking, it might be a hardware problem. In that case, contact Monster Support. They offer great warranty services for this year. Remember, staying calm and methodical is key to fixing tech troubles. There you have it, folks. By following these tips, you should get your Monster Speaker back up and running in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.